If you are a life coach or any kind of teacher where you want to help other people go through certain life transformations, I want to share with you why you should run a membership group coaching program, why you should choose this model of where you can charge $97 per month subscriptions to your students who pay for your course, your community, your weekly group coaching calls, and I'm going to explain you how this model can allow you to run your life, your program very semi-passively, and it provides you with a monthly recurring income. Yes, if you grow your program to 20, 30, 40 or 50 people paying you, let's say $100 per month, you can have a part-time or even like full-time monthly recurring income. And that's the first main benefit that this model is gonna allow you to have. Money coming in each and every month, so you don't need to think about it. You don't need to chase for new one-off clients anymore. You have people paying you monthly fees, and you just keep adding more people into your program, to your community, to your group coaching calls. And having a monthly recurring income will provide you with a peace of mind. You're gonna start feeling free because the money is gonna always just come in, and it's gonna relieve you. The stress of lack of money or so will just disappear, and you're gonna be now able to focus on the thing that you love the most, helping other people and doing this work that you love to do, which is coaching, guiding, and interacting with other people. And now you do it full time, right? And not just that, this model allows you to only work 2, 3, 4 hours per day. It's not like you need to spend 8 hours per day going on one-on-one coaching call one after another. No, you would run 1 or 2 weekly group coaching calls to which your members would come, which is like 2 or 3 hours per week, to be honest, right? But on a daily basis, you still need to engage with your members, your community, answer their questions, DMs, emails, right? You need to create a new content promotional plan and stuff like that. So you would still need to treat this project as a serious game, 2 or 3 hours per day. But this is now like part-time. It frees you. It's not a full-time job, so you can do it with a flow, with passion, right? I'm gonna also explain you how having a membership program allows you to accept and onboard new members automatically without your time being involved, which means that a new person can pay $97 per month on their own, join your membership program, be welcomed in, and start going through your video course lessons, and then they come to a weekly group coaching call with you. And all of those first steps your new member can take on their own without you doing that one-on-one coaching onboarding call or so. Running a membership program will also allow you to scale and then impact more people. It will allow you to grow it further, let's say to 100 plus members, and this is still not gonna take more of your time. Yes, you might need to add another weekly group coaching call per week onto your schedule, right? But that's like an extra hour or 2 per week, right? So your 100 plus members can choose from different time slots that suit them more, right? But hey, getting to 100 plus members, that gets you to 10k plus months now, right? And it doesn't take more of your time to run it. There is a few other benefits that come with this idea of you running a membership group coaching program. First of all, it's gonna be more affordable to more people. For example, the price point of $97 per month is not a lot to a certain member who cannot really afford like 3, 4, 5k packages of one-on-one coaching with you, but $97 a month is gonna work with them fairly easily. And it still gets you that 1k per year from that member of income, which is quite cool, right? And I already mentioned, right, that members will be able to go through your program on their own, passively, with their own pace. And understand this, right? Usually, any kind of life change needs time, right? So your goal probably will be that this person should stay in your membership coaching program for a year or so they really can go through this life transformation with you. And it's gonna be a passive journey for them. They're gonna be going through your course, coming to your group coaching calls, and they're gonna be hanging out in your community forum environment where they can be interacting with other members who are going through the same transformation as well. So you see, that's another benefit of running a membership program, that it creates community, it creates energy, because the members can interact with other people inside here. And when you do those group coaching calls as well, it creates so much more energy when 5, 10, 15, 20 people are on the call listening to other people's situations, stories, and they can listen to your answers when you do the Q&A with them, right? It just creates so much energy when you have a community of people hanging around one another. And maybe one last benefit, imagine that your members can refer more members into your membership group coaching program, and imagine they could be paid a small mini commission from the people that they brought in. So later I'm gonna teach you a few growth systems through which you can grow your membership program, and one of them is getting your members results, of course, but getting them as well to recommend more people come into the program. Now listen in, if your members will refer more people in and they will be paid a little small commission, right? Guess what? Your existing members will want to help and interact with these new people, and this is gonna now create community because the members want those new people to stay because they are getting a mini commission from you, right? I'm just explaining you this idea right now because that creates energy. It gets the community supporting one another. Everyone is happy, everyone is achieving results by you being a guide and them following and becoming awesome transformational case studies of yours. So you see, this is why you should run a membership group coaching program. That's how I call it, because it's a group of people going through your coaching experience. And this is what you shouldn't do. If you are starting as a life coach, I don't recommend you to start selling one-off packages or one-off courses or one-on-one coaching or so. When you sell one-off packages, you receive money only one time and you then run out of energy with that client. Imagine you can't help them for 1 or 2K. You can't help them through 8 one-on-one sessions, right? What is that person gonna do then, right? They're gonna fall away. But in a membership program of yours, they could stay for longer. It gives them more free time to really achieve that result that they are here for, right? And if you sell one-off packages, you always need to think, where is this next client gonna come from? I need to do another marketing push right now so I can get maybe that next client and so on. I don't want to make money in spikes. I need to make money recurringly every month so I am free. And that's what this model is gonna provide you with. For example, I have my membership program now for more than a year. I'm charging people $97 per month and I have come up to 30 plus people right now. This income just flows in every month. And yes, I don't have a lot of monthly expenses because I have my own house. I live in a village house, but having this membership program of mine opened up my soul. It's like a heart of my life, of my business now, and I'm happy running the program. And if you would like to finally break through with your coaching work and start being paid for it recurringly and start creating awesome transformational case studies, because that's the goal, right? That you actually help people go through transformations and you document those case studies because they're gonna bring in more other people who want to also achieve the results and achieve the transformations. Take these few steps that I'm gonna recommend you to take right now. The first thing that you're gonna want to do is decide on what is the outcome that you're gonna be helping your students, your members achieve as part of your membership program. Decide on one juicy outcome. I teach you how to complete this first step in my free course that you can find the link down below, and that's the first thing that you're gonna need to do. And secondly, then you're gonna need to write your membership offer out and really write out what is that people are gonna get as part of $97 per month. I have a template for you which you're gonna just write in the outcome, the 3 module steps that you're gonna take them through, the inclusions of your offer and the price point, right? You're gonna then take this offer membership description and put it on the Skool app. And while you're gonna be writing out your membership offer description, you should also create a mini video course. You want to create a few videos ahead of time so when someone pays you, they can already watch video number 1, 2, and 3 and so on, so they can then come to the group coaching call and they have already studied the knowledge a little bit and now they have questions for you. After you write out your membership offer description, you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it on the order page of the Skool app, which is gonna be your membership platform. platform to host your course, your community, group coaching calls, and it's gonna charge your members monthly subscriptions. And by using the Skool app, you're gonna be able to auto accept new members coming in, have it all in one place, handle them inside of this app. I show you in my lessons how to optimize your Skool and get it ready, so now you are able to accept the first few people paying you. Your first goal is gonna be to get to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paying members. If you only get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paying members, everything is gonna change for you. You're gonna start having 2, 3, 4, 500, 700 per month recurring income now. And not just that, you're gonna start learning from these 3, 4, 5 people who you signed up a lot and guiding them and coaching them and start creating case studies of how they succeeded. This is gonna be your first milestone, how to sign the first few people and get them up and running. And in my course lessons, I will teach you how you can do that, how you can just make a list, reach out to a few people out of your existing network, people who you worked with in the past, anyone who's following you or interacting with your content, right? So we're gonna write a few people down and we're gonna reach out to them, talk to them, maybe on a quick call or so, and sign them into the $97 per month offer of yours. By you being able to talk to another person, you are showing that you are a good guide, right? You need to know how to guide your students, your members, your clients, and signing them up for $97 a month with you is already a coaching skill that you're gonna need to possess, so you are able to get people to move, right? I will later teach you one more thing that's called how to put a system in place through which you are attracting more and more members coming to you. After you're gonna sign the first 5, 7, 10 people or so, we can work on putting an automated system in place through which you are attracting more and more members. So you can grow to 30, 50, 70 people paying you your monthly fees. For example, I'm gonna teach you how to get your members referred to your members. We're gonna put a YouTube channel in place that's always driving you new traffic to your email list or to the application page of yours, so you're converting and attracting more and more people into your program. I'm gonna also teach you how to run weekly webinars, weekly group coaching calls to which you can invite 5, 10 people, and of those you sign new members paying you. But putting systems in place is an advanced technique that you should put aside a little bit. First, create your own membership offer, optimize the Skool app so you can accept members paying you and sign 5, 6, 7, 8 people, and then later we're gonna be putting systems in place so you can grow further. But to be honest, this is already a system. Being able to accept new members paying you monthly fees, it already creates recurring monthly income, and people can grow now inside your community and start getting transformations and outcomes that they desire. That's the key, right? That we are happy because we are paid, and our members are happy because they are getting results and they are part of your awesome energy.